Welcome back. And in our top business story, foreign investors purchased 1.2 billion dirhams worth of shares in the Dubai financial market and sold 1.1 billion dirhams. That's according to figures supplied by the DFM. Net foreign investment on the market reached 118.9 million dirhams, and the value of shares bought by foreigner investors comprised 50.2% of the total value of stocks traded during the last 5 days, while the value of stocks sold by foreign investors during the same period represented 45.3% of stocks traded during the period. With a renewed focus on attracting foreign investment in the local financial markets, the DFM has released a glimpse of its market activities for the current week. In addition, the DFM revealed that the value of stocks bought by its institutional investors reached 938.5 million dirhams, comprising 38.8% of the total value of stocks traded. Net institutional investment on the market stood at 84.7 million dirhams during the period as aggregate buy. And Saudi Arabia, home to the Arabian Gulf's biggest stock market, will allow foreign investors to subscribe to initial public offerings in the kingdom from January. The Capital Market Authority has approved regulations on book building in IPOs that include qualified foreign investors, which will be implemented on the 1st of January, according to a statement posted on the regulator's website on Thursday. Financial advisors may apply these instructions on any offering before that date, with approval from the issuer. The announcement comes less than a month before rules to ease restrictions on who can qualify as a foreign investor comes into force. The Tadawul Stock Exchange started allowing limited foreign direct investment in June last year under rules that govern which entities can invest and how much of each company and the market they can own. Dubai's construction industry currently has over 3,700 projects ongoing across the emirate, worth an estimated $400 billion. BNC's Dubai Construction Market 2016 report highlights an upward trajectory for the market. Although approximately 21% of projects are on hold, a large number of projects are in advanced stages of construction. Commercial and residential units, education, healthcare and hospitality buildings, leisure and recreation facilities, religious buildings, retail facilities and mixed-use urban developments make up approximately 77% of all project values in Dubai. The report also showed that the total spend on infrastructure projects related to Dubai Expo 2020 might reach up to $18 billion, with estimated development costs of the Dubai South area between $8.1 to $8.7 billion. The average annual rent for studio apartments in Dubai fell by 6% in July to 57,000 dirhams compared to the start of the year. That's according to the latest data from real estate website Bayouth. Its report also revealed that average studio rents in neighbouring Abu Dhabi dropped 5% to 56,000 dirhams in July. Bayouth said Dubai's real estate market remains strong, with rental yields going as high as 6.5% in select apartment categories. Overall, however, apartment rates were seen becoming more and more affordable, with a total downward adjustment in July of 2%. The report also showed that average rents for one-bed units were 92,000 dirhams, which was down 7%, while two-bed apartments fetched owners 145,000 dirhams annually in July after a downward adjustment of 3%. Commanding 206,000 dirhams, average rents for three-bed units remained stable when compared with H1 values, while the four-bed category returned an average annual rent of 304,000 dirhams in July, a 2% drop. In Abu Dhabi, the average apartment rent was 126,000 dirhams per annum, a 6% downward adjustment from the average rent recorded in H1 2016. Compared to values calculated in July 2015, the average studio rent in Abu Dhabi dropped 5% to 56,000 dirhams in July, while rental values of one-bed apartments fell by 6% to 91,000 dirhams. The report said that two-bed and three-bed apartment rents fell to 129,000 dirhams and 172,000 dirhams respectively, registering decreases of 4% and 5%, while the average rent of four-bed apartments also came down by 4% to 247,000 dirhams.